basically created a program that takes you through a foundational experience of how to stretch range of expression. And that's something that most people don't get to talk about much. We just assume because you have a voice that you know how to use it. We assume that because you have a body, you know how to use it. And we assume because you're brilliant at what you do, that you know how to communicate it when lots of people are watching and you are under the pressure of the limelight. But anyone who's ever tried that in real knows that it doesn't quite work that way, right? Often when you get nervous, your voice fails on you, or you go into some really weird patterns with your body, with anything really. I call it PIID, performance-induced identity dissonance. That's when you get a bit weird on stage. Anybody ever experienced that one? Yeah, yeah, me too, big time. And I had a really beautiful acting teacher in New York City where I trained. And she said, when I interviewed her about what talent is, she defined talent as the ability to be yourself when others are watching. The ability to truly be yourself when others are watching. Oh, I took a deep breath and I thought, dang, I wish I had this. I want this talent thing. Now, where I disagree with her is that this is not talent. Talent is often something that we think is given, that you bring to the table. But what she described was a skill, was a willingness, was a courage, and it's a nobleness. It's a nobleness that I like to cultivate for myself and with and for my client. The ability to really be real when you're in front of other people is not something that's given. It is something that is learned, but it is not learned in a step-by-step blueprint. Here's my 10 steps to getting really real and authentic. It's not like that. It's an undoing. It's an unmasking. And what that requires of us is a willingness to go deep and deal with anything that comes up on the way to this authenticity, which is a freedom. The courage and the freedom to truly say what's on your mind and heart in the moment is an undoing. It's a connecting to essence. It's connecting to soul. And it's the skill, it's a craft to learn how to speak, how to enunciate, how to use your voice as an instrument, but also a willingness to open up and let yourself be used as an instrument, become a vessel of the message. I call this vesseling as an active verb by now. So I like people to vessel more. Talk less, vessel more. Less blabber, more vesseling. So it's not talent, but it's a skill. The art of getting really real, or fucking real. Some of us would use with professional terms. And that's what we're playing here with. So the Impact Amplifier is a 1 week foundational experience of stretching your ability to do that through your body, through your voice, through playing, through taking beliefs apart. Yes, there is coaching and deep seed and hot seed coaching, all that good stuff we know from the personal development world. And by now, I really want to go beyond this coaching stuff, because I don't know if you noticed, but there's an awful lot of talking and coaching, and I'm getting frustrated. I need more energy. I need more, let's be. Let's transmit energy. Let's generate some vibes here. Let's not just go, oh my God, I've got this amazing insight. Everything just changed for me. What changed? Everything. It's so powerful. Like, let's get in there. Let's play. Let's move. So it's a practical experience. And the challenge, of course, is how do you communicate that to people who don't know that yet? And the answer is, give them a taster. Let's play it so you can all find out.